Question number 4 is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For first kilometer fare is rupees 8 and for subsequent distance fare is rupees 5 per kilometer, and taking distance as x kilometer and total fare as y rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Student, please read the question very carefully. It is given that for first kilometer fare is rupees 8. Suppose distance is your AB and it is given that total distance is x kilometer. It means this distance will be x kilometer, and first kilometer fare is rupees 8. Suppose after this one, when you complete this distance 1 kilometer, your point is C, and for this first kilometer your fare is rupees 8. And student, if you subtract, since total distance is x, and if you subtract from this x this 1 kilometer, remaining distance will be obviously x minus 1 kilometer. And for this remaining x minus 1 kilometer, it is given that fare is rupees 5 kilo per meter. Rupees 5 per kilometer. So, how we will solve this question? Let's start. Total distance. It is given that total distance is x kilometer, and total fare, it is given that rupees y, and it is given that for first kilometer fare is rupees 8. So remaining distance will be x minus 1 kilometer, and for this x minus 1 kilometer fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. So for remaining distance fare will be, it is given that for 1 kilometer charge is rupees 5. So for x minus 1 kilometer charge will be 5 into x minus 1, and when you open this we will get 5x minus 5. Okay student, and it is given that total fare equals to rupees y. And how we can find total fare? Total fare, it means charge of this first kilometer, it means 8, and charge of this remaining or subsequent distance is your 5x minus 5, which is equal to, we will get 5. And when we will simplify this, we will get 5x, 8 minus 5, we will get 3 equals to y. If we will write this into standard form, we will get 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. This one is your linear equation into variables. Now we will draw graph for this linear equation. For making graph, first we will find the points. For this, let's substitute first x equal 0. X equals 0 in place of x. When we will substitute 0, we will get 5 zeros are 0 minus y plus 3 equals 0. It means the value of y is here 3. So when you substitute 0, corresponding value of y will be 3. Now I am substituting here 1. If we substitute x equal 1, then we will get 5 into 1 minus y plus 3 equals 0. 5 ones are 5 minus y plus 3 equals 0. 5 plus 3, 8 minus y equals 0. It means y equal 8. Y equal 8. Now I am substituting here the value of y as 0. Y equal 0. So we will get 5x minus 0 plus 3 equals 0. 5x plus 3 will shift into right hand side, we will get minus 3. So x equal minus 3 by 5. And when you divide this, obviously what you will get? You will get minus 0.6. This one is the third value. Now for this we will make graph. For making graph, first we will make one horizontal line and one vertical line. What horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called your y-axis, and intersection point is your origin. On right hand side positive signs and on left hand side your negative sign, upward positive, downward negative. Now we will plot points on this graph. Your first point is 0, 3. Here the value is minus 0.6. First point is the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3. So 0 it means origin and the value of y it means on y-axis. This one is your point. This one is your first point, that is 0, 3. Now next point is your 1, 8. This is the value of x, positive 1 and 8. 8 means we will proceed in this one. This one is your 1, 8. And next third point is 0. Value of y is 0 and the value of x is minus 0.6. It means this point will lie between 0 and minus 1, more than 0.5. It means near about here we will minus 0.6, 0. Now we will make line. Draw line. As you can see here student, this line passes through from all these 3 points. It means our solution is correct. If any point is not lying in this line, it means any of the solution is incorrect. So in this way we will solve this question.